Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys Ant Farm's Family Jewels. This is a Bejeweled type game with some somewhat semi-original gameplay to it, a little bit. So let's go ahead and start playing the game. What happens there is when you get the jewels, you get jewels. When you get the tools, you get a power-up. And then when you get the rings, you just get points. Alright, so let's go ahead and play through the game a little bit. Now, let's talk about what the actual purpose to these objects are. Jewels increase your time by 30 seconds. You can click on the timer to sacrifice some time to give yourself a power-up, which will randomly select some of these boxes and generate new items. But you sacrifice time. The power-ups will do the same thing as the speed. Except the power-ups won't sacrifice any time. And then up here is your level. Currently I think I have it set to about 20 levels. I have yet to beat the entire game. It does get a little tricky once you play for a while. Everything, obviously, just like any other game, it starts to run together. Some differences though between this game and Bejeweled, even though it's very similar, of course. What I wanted to do with my version, instead of having things fall like in Bejeweled, I wanted it to be a little bit more original. So instead of having things fall, it just generates a new item for that block. So it is a little bit unique in that sense, but ultimately it still is a Bejeweled type game. It's pretty fun, pretty addictive, literally endless play. I'm not finished making the game yet. I plan on making a menu where you can enter your level or a level code, so you can come back to your level and start over. But and I need to obviously make a function to turn the sound on and off. Other than that, though, the game's pretty much done. Again, made in Visual Basic.net, 2010. It's pretty fun. I think this game took me about 2 days to build. A little side note, prior to that, I built a Bejeweled game engine. Prior to that, it took me about an additional 2 days to build the Bejeweled game engine, and I just took that concept and then I copied it over to this, or applied and didn't copy it, rather I more or less just applied that concept to this game using the Ant Farm's gold assets. So it kind of helps promote Ant Farms. It's kind of a fun little game. It'll be a free game at that, to just kind of help promote Ant Farm's gold. So when we release Ant Farm's gold final, you'll already be familiarized with some of the art, and you know, it's a promotional game. What can I say? You know, it's fun, but it's promoting the big game. So I might include this as a mini game, and in the Ant Farms game, just because it'll be kind of a fun little mini game. But ultimately, this will be a free game. All right, so post your thoughts about this. Let me know what you guys think.